What's up boys and girls? Alright, next episode on RX8 build. Nice, short and sweet. I'm gonna strip some bits off, see what we're dealing with, see what we need to get, and see how we proceed with everything. That's the plan, simple as that. Alright, let's crack on. Alright, mainly this should be nice and easy because most of this stuff is attached on essentially nothing. I mean, rear bumper, yeah, I'll have to unbolt it. This one's got parking sensors, so I might need to get rid of wiring because I'm not replacing that. And if somebody wants to buy some Volk Racing wheels, 19s, 500 quid, shoot me a message. Alright, let's crack on.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces.
Okie doke, rear bumpers off. All this is looking nice and clean. No major rust. That's always a good start. I mean, rear arches have taken some beating, but other than that, it's not too shabby. And like we got non-bothered differential, we got spare drive shafts here, and we got hoods just in case we need them. So let's go and take some pictures, get rid of these, and then go to the front and then yeah, see what's what up front.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger thirsty.
Well, talk about easy removal. Got a lot of drift cars. 2 zip ties, 2 screws. That's it. Right, now we're looking at the front. That looks pretty tidy as well. Where RX8 are considered. Got a little cooler at the bottom. It's cool. Right, now I've done these bits. We're probably gonna take the wings off. These ones are quite battered, so then again the kit hides it all, so I might try and test fit bits and bobs from the kit and then go from there. And I do have the replacement wings here, which do have some rust on the bottom, so I don't know. These are straight but rusty again, so choices. I think the best bet is get some of the bits out, test fit maybe, and then see what's what. And as for interior, the biggest thing I need to be worried about for MOT and everything is this whole span going on here. Because I need either handbrake or hydro that I can lock. So what do you guys reckon? Do you go normal handbrake like it did have before, or should I go one of the fancy schmancy big hydros? Because there's going to be a lot of work needed here anyway, so might just as well try and do fancy or nice.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown.
Alright, that's what we got so far. And gotta tell you guys, this is not going to be the easiest quality fitment. Even though the holes where to bolt them in, line up and everything like that. I mean, lines look sort of there, but then again we got over fenders going on there, so I'll see what that fixes and what that does. So far it's been a quiet fight, and I had to take the crash bar off because it wouldn't go over it, so that means I need to modify the crash bar because I do want it. But it's not the worst one, because I mean I need to cut the ends off essentially, or flatten them down a bit. So next bit I'm gonna put those bolts in there and come back to you guys and say what it looks like. Right, that's the rear bumper at a minute. As you can see, on this side slightly sticking out, on that side slightly inwards, so ideally probably needs to move it slightly that way, which I'm going to see it's achievable. I mean, I can re-drill these holes there and try and move it, see what it says, but other than that it's not too bad in the grand scheme of things for first fitting, and gotta admit it does look really good on the car. I mean, yeah, it'll suit overall look. Now I got a rough idea what I need to do for a boot lid on it, so as well, probably big fat ducktail. That's what I have here, or drag wing, gonna go up all the way out. I can make one of them, so that's not a biggie. Right, let's go and try and fit the front bumper. And that'll be it for today.
I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Right, so the front ain't too bad. I mean, this is sort of lightly in there. Biggest thing is this is shot underneath the bonnet, but I mean if I push it down, that lines up, that comes back out, so that means this needs propping up slightly from the other side, and this lineup's really good. So far so good actually. It's not a bad kit all in all. I mean, it's gonna have its, you know, quirks, being fiberglass and everything, but so far can't really moan that much at it. Just slight adjustments here and there, and one of the big things for me is the exhaust actually line up, and considering that's a GS300 modified exhaust, you can see the two cans at the back and everything. That's a win-win. That's a definite win-win for me. Right, I think on this one I have to go and see my other project, so on this one I'm going to call it a day. Oh, what do you guys reckon? Is it a good start? What do you guys reckon? Let me know in comments, and the usual, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I see you guys in the next one. Alright, see you later. Ciao.